dogs aren't interested in the chickens whatsoever. However, they're interested in eating the chicken poop. I've seen the chicken actually try to bully the dog. See? Dogs don't seem interested. That's good.